In respect of the position of member of parliament, we have received dispute in respect to 15 areas of member of parliament, of which one of the complaints has been dismissed for being unmeritorious or for lacking merit, and election results for one of the constituencies has been nullified. That is the constituency of Naivasha. We have also received a single complaint in respect of the position of women representative. We have also received 2 complaints in respect of the position of senator and 2 complaints in respect of the position of governor. Now, those ones are still under consideration. Most of them were heard late in the evening yesterday. They are still under consideration, and the decision will be rendered, of course, by Thursday.